Miss Kim, over here.
Napeobun News.
This way, please. Looking beautiful.
Alignment is good. Hold it there.
Ensure the bay is clear before lowering the legs.
Roger that. Alphard steel thickness and flatness confirmed. Within standard parameters.
The next coil is coming through now. Yes, heading straight to line 3.
For the Alphard line are confirmed. Release for stamping.
We need to ensure the alignment is perfect before the next stage. I have already adjusted the settings.
The precision of the automated welding on the cross members is essential for the rigidity of the new Alphard frame. Yes.
The measurements are precise. We have confirmation on the assembly points. Understood, Mr. Yamamoto. The data is clear.
Quality standards met.
Excellent work, Kenji.
Moving to assembly.
Position, please confirm.
Any issues?
Yes, Kenji, it's perfect.
A little to the left.
Okay, lowering slowly.
Perfect. Hold it there. Please lower it slowly.
Is the position correct?
Yes, it's confirmed. Steady on the left side. We are clearing the mount points now.
Confirm. Proceeding with the sequence start.
The cooling unit is secure.
Connection points verified. No leaks detected. Quality standard met.
データを確認してくださいね。問題はありませんか？
はい、すべて順調ですね。 Careful precision on the injection pressure.
Data logged.
Check the torque curve at 4,000 RPM.
It's holding steady, within tolerance.
This data stream here, the torque sensor reading, it is slightly out of specification at high RPM.
I see it now. I will make a note for the report.
As you can see, the pace indicators are green. Yes, the system integrity is confirmed.
Another successful certification for the Alphard.